I don't know. Do you got someone in the audience?
Just about set. It's 1:35, Saturday afternoon, Husson University, Weber Pool. We have Matt Cook, the coach, the veteran, versus the young upstart, former Lane Sixer, now record holder at Bangor High, Matt England. Matt England versus Matt Cook, the Jedi Master versus the young warrior. 50 yards of the pool freestyle. England, Matt Cook's stripping down to his jammers. He's ready to go. Here we are, 50 yards of the pool, butterfly. It all comes down to this.
Take your mark.
And they're off. Matt Cook is hanging in. England at the turn. Cook at the turn. Youth will have its day. It's England. It's England. It's England. It's England. It's Cook. Matt England, a blistering 24.49. Matt Cook, 27.07.